This video is about Boxfit and basic punching and a little bit on technique and combinations that you might expect to find in your Zoom or your park Boxfit sessions. So let's start with the fist. Basically making a fist, fingers wrapped around, thumb on the outside. You are going to punch connecting with these two knuckles here, which means you might just angle your fist a little bit. So when you punch, important mechanics is the line between your knuckles, wrist, elbow, shoulder should all be in one line. Okay? You have stances. Neutral stance is just feet straight across. Split stance, you've got two sides to that. You've got orthodox, which is left foot forward and right foot back. And the important thing is it's roughly about a foot in depth. That's orthodox, left foot forward, right foot back. Southpaw, right foot forward, left foot back. Okay, which is the left-handed stance. But let's start with the basic punches first. First of all, straight punches. Up the top of the pad, okay, and we're punching straight out in front. And we want to try and start with the punches coming from the chin, from in front of the body. Ribs, we get in close, it's a tummy punch, okay? And you're swinging your elbows from your shoulders. Squat and double punch. Squat down, come up, double punch, left, right. You have 4 high, 4 low, or any sequence of that. Could be 2 high, 2 low, 6 high, 6 low. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, down low, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we've got your jab crosses. So I'm going to just do these sequences from one side because it's easier to see on the video. So southpaw, right foot forward, left foot back. That makes my front fist a jab. Okay? So notice this hand doesn't move. Cross punch is the back arm. And the cross punch requires more energy from the body and the hips. That's where it gets the power from. I like to think of the jab as the stay away punch, the cross is the get down punch. Okay? So a jab cross then becomes jab cross, jab cross, jab cross. Forearm strike. You can hold the top of the pad if you want. And we're using the forearm into the pad. And some of it starts down in your feet. Okay, so you push in. There. Our next punch is the hook. This is an important punch because it's important from a technique point of view that you always make sure that your knuckles, wrist, elbow and shoulder are always lined up when you connect with the pad to protect your wrist. It's also important that this punch is delivered from the front of your body because otherwise you leave your shoulder open to getting overuse injuries and putting too much stress through the vulnerable joint in your body. Okay, it's only held together by muscles. So we've got to be pretty cautious with that. What we do is we're starting in our fighting stance and we're going to slide to the side and connect. And the power is going to come from the hips. Okay? What's the difference between that and a cross? A cross is we have an extended arm when we punch. Hook. The angle of the arm stays still and we brace through the chest muscles. Important thing here is it's coming from there, from in front of my body. It's not a Miss Piggy punch. Hi-ya, hi-ya, okay? That's the punch we don't want to do. The punch there, from the body.